All the foundrymen of India, we look forward to annual event IFEX. IFEX 2026, which is being held in Mumbai, is one of the largest, biggest and maximum number of delegates and exhibitors. There is a lot of energy, lot of enthuse across all the stalls, across all the people participating here. This event has been organized very well and it is international standard. And the visitors are phenomenal in number. I'm sure that there is a lot of expectation for the foundry industry. Everyone is looking for growth, expansion and success in the foundry industry. As all of you know, Indian economy is booming. It is the fastest growing economy in the world. The foundry industry want to be part of that. I'm sure there are conducive atmosphere to make it successful. Thank you very much, IIF, for a great show here in Mumbai. Thank you.